With just over 25,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle proves competitive in its price class based on its condition and value. Lexus made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine with more than 200 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Lexus prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including one-touch window functionality, a built-in garage door transmitter, a trip computer, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, a power convertible roof, and power seats. Lexus also prioritized safety and security with features such as knee airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.